What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video out in Santa Clarita. I have been out here in the morning and forever. I don't know, 15 minutes till it opens. Let's go see what's up. The line not too bad today. I haven't been here when it opens in forever. Let's go. Let's go. 10 a.m. It is 10 a.m.
Women's and kids footwear only. Alright, so today's the last day, so take advantage. Make sure you have your membership ready. If you're not a member, open up my membership. For first-time members, I can save more money. So have fun, be respectful, please. Do not cut in line. You know, so you have to go around the whole line system that we got going on. Let's keep it happy family year, all right? We all get along here with all adults. So thank you so much for coming in. Good morning.
All right, 20% off. It was like that apparently yesterday and today only. I'll post it on my shorts. Let y'all fools know. Let's go see. Let's go. 20% off the heat wall too. So let's go. All right, 20% off everything. I'm gonna go see what they got. Got some Jordans. Is that the? Oh, they do have a pair of Jordan 1. Oh man, is that the Jordan 1 high 85? No, that's a mid. Never mind, that's a mid. I was just coming here just to see. They got some LeBron 20s. Remember, they're $100. You do get 20% off. Got more LeBron 20s, size 10 right there with the backward swoosh. Going for 80. They got some mids. Okay. Mostly LeBron. That's pretty much what everybody's getting. All right, I am getting out of line because I want to see what's going on over here. 20% off, man. 20% off. We haven't seen that in what, 3 years? Something? All right, let's go see what's up with the size 10. And I love seeing that. Let's go see what's up. Kyrie Infinities. Look at this. $60. Get 20% off on top of that. These are all 10s right here. All right, I'm being stupid. I got to peruse real quick instead of just focusing on my size. I gotta peruse real quick, see if they have any steals, because that is what the resellers do. They move quick, so you gotta move quick. I looked at my section. I didn't really see much, seeing if there's any quick apparel items. I don't know what size. That dude over there, he found some Klay Thompson jersey. Seems to be a swingman. Those are normally 130, 140. Yeah, they usually drop those down to $70, so that's pretty fire. I found Dornbecker jackets here, so yeah, that's why I just got to peruse real quick. I was wondering if that's an Alpha Fly Next Percent. Nah, size 9.5, $100. All right, I'm walking around, jumping around from section to section, because things happen super quick here. Things just happen super quick. Creeper Cam, they do have the AJKO, the Union Jordan 1s, and then they have a 6.5 of the Jordan 1 Aquas right there. They're going for what, $70? The pennies right there, those are going for 67, or I think they're 80. Never mind, 80. Do get 20% off. I can't tell what size those AJKOs are. They look small though. All right, we're going back to the 10.5s. I even took a look at a lot of the resellers have. Nothing crazy. We do got the Kyrie Infinities, Team Bank, $60. The over breaks, these are supposedly hella comfy. They use suede on it too. Okay, oh, got some. Man, that should be a B grade. Got some glue coming out right here as well. That's the same issue that they did have on the Mellow 13s years and years ago. And then I think this is yellowed right here too. Yeah, this part's yellowed right here up top. That should be a B grade, dude. Okay. $70 here. These are hella comfy. Don't get that one though. I remember everything's 20% off. I haven't seen that. Literally, I haven't seen that in a long time. Probably 2-3 years. Infinity Run Flyknits go for $70. Tempo Next Percent Flyknits go for $100. Blazers in the wrong area right here. Going for $50 for Blazers. Really? Holy crap. Invincible Run Flyknits going for $80. If you guys need running shoes, man. The 3s are out, and the 3s are a significant change, but the 2s still hella comfy. Metcon Turbos going for $70. Zoom Freak 4s, Team Bank go for $60. SBs, you got some skateboard Forces. They're okay, Force 88s. Dion 2s going for $60. Streak flies. Some running shoes going for $80. I think these are for mid distance, right? Shout out to the homie Nick. Appreciate it. We chop it up for quite a bit. Just talk about sneakers, collecting, just how it's been the last few years. I just love talking about sneakers, especially with like fellow collectors and stuff. Pretty dope. All right, let's check out the 11s. I was gonna go to 10. Let's check out the 11s. Jordan Golf ADGs going for $80. Blazer, man, these just have not been moving. The Be True colorway going for $50. Delta Mid. Jordans technically $70. Asia Freeze going for $40. Air Max 95 down to $80. Okay, that's not too bad. $80, and then you get 20% off on top. That's not too bad. I just looked a little closer. Look at this. Got your skeleton. Got your feet bones. That's kind of crazy. Okay. I don't know what colorway this is. It is suede. It is hella nice. Look at that, man. A lot of suede on it. That's dope. More Kyries. Today they're under $50. That's hella cheap, dude. Nice 12 Zoom Freaks. Going for $60 of the 4s. Got these bad boys, Zoom Fly 4s, going for $80. Got some SBs. The BRSBs. Okay, I don't know how to read. Definitely interesting. Got suede up front, nylon in the back. Go for $40. Del Dons. These are a women's. Is that a women's? It says men's. Why does it say men's 10.5? Oh, they do look small, so I don't know. Maybe wrong box. Maybe $50. Hella cheap. Another colorway of these. Why are there so many 10.5s right here? I think they're tripping because they see the bottom number. $60 for that one. That's a dope colorway. More blazers right here. That's pretty dope if you want to go hiding somewhere. This is a Real Tree collab going for $40. $60 for these, size 12. Jordan Access going for $50. Dang, got those in every size. Bunch of different colorways. More of these Tempo Next percents. Going for $100. Pretty sure I said size 13s, right? What are those? Some SBs right here. Verona slips. Going for $40. Air Max 2090s. Going for $70. Size 14s and 15s. $50 for the Blazers. Seeing a lot of running shoes. Vaporfly Next percents go for $100. The Jesus Air DeSchultz going for $40. Of course, basketball sneakers, $60. That's about it, dude. Not really seeing too much variety. These are 17.5s going for $7. I haven't seen $7 sneakers. Got those right there. That's about it, man. That's about it. Let's go check out small sizes. I am monitoring the heat card. Don't really see much right now. Haven't seen the restock. Ooh, look at this. Do got these bad boys, a size 10. Looks like a Nike by You Blazer. And these are what? 10. Oh, okay. I don't know what the price is. These are usually what, $60, $70. And you get that extra 20% off too. Infinity Run Flyknit 3s go for $70. Size 10. F you guys, really? Oh my God, I do have a pair of these. If I didn't have one, I would grab these right now. $100? Are you serious? By $100, I mean $80? Oh my God, I freaking love these. These are fire, dude. Oh my goodness. Holy crap. But I already got mine. I think I got mine for $50 off, I want to say. I don't think I paid full price. Yeah, I think I got it for $150, but still, man, half that price now, man. More Blazers. All right, $50, man. Checking out the smallest sizes, size 9. Nike by You. Metcons right here going for $70. Man, these are normally like $140, $150 for the Nike by U's. Pretty decent colorway too. So what's going on here? Some Court Visions. I was like, are these Jordan 1? No, they're not. We don't even know the price. Another one of these going for $40. And what's this right here? Is this Zoom NXT Hardcourts? I was just curious because this looks like a corduroy material now, but it's like a synthetic nylon or something. It does have the fly plate right there, so really good for side-to-side movement and stuff. Okay, kind of has similar look to the Jordan 30. Was that the 35s, 36s? Okay. I shot wears going for $50. Another one right here, another 50 banger. Another LeBron right here, LeBron 9 low going for $100. Size 8 for my kids, like an 8 or 8.5. Pretty much the same though. I don't really see anything too crazy. Do see the Kyrie Infinities under 50, Zoom Freak 4s, running shoes, Infinity Run Flyknits, 2090s going for 70. Not seeing the craziest stuff. Oh, look at this. Size 9 right here, go for $80. Remember, you did get an extra 20 off, so that's not bad, not bad. All right, I just briefly went over Apparel earlier, just glanced by it real quick. Let's take a look at some of the apparel stuff. Do got this bright hoodie right here, going for $25. Dolphin fans, $25. That is a small though. Oh wait, they got XL right here. They got a few other sizes. A couple other sizes, okay. Gray Nike hoodie, this is thick. Oh, this is one of the nicer ones. Normally $90 down to $30. Oh, that's hella nice. I wonder if I should grab this for my kiddo. Oh yeah, because it's like super thick. It's not just a cheaper material, it's a nicer one. Damn, that is nice. Yeah, I'm leaning towards grabbing this. This is more like the Nike SB type of material, not just the regular one. Normally 90. Okay. Medium fleece jacket right here down to 30, normally 75. That is a really nice jacket right here. Got that, ooh, we got that extra fleece. Does that even make sense? Does have that extra soft lining inside. That's just hella dope. It is all black. Matches with anything. Matches with anything. All right, I'm just checking out random stuff. I've never even seen these before. What the hell? What the hell is this? Jordan slides, $20. Never even seen these. Okay, okay. Got some white ones here too. They are heavy as hell. Heavy as hell. Material is definitely interesting too. This one's just regular leather. This is like corduroy on top. $20. Extra mini backpacks. I don't know what the hell these are for. $10 though. Okay. And then tech fleece gloves if you need gloves. Okay, okay. All right, I think I'm done, dude. $15. I think I'm done. It's official. All right, man. I've kept track, man. I've waited a few extra minutes. All right, let's go. Let's pay for this. Let's get out of here, man. I'm done. All right, guys, we do have a few things to talk about. First of all, I hope you guys are following my shorts. I did hear from quite a few guys. I posted that on my shorts as well as my Instagram. I wanted to try to get that information out to you guys that, hey, the sale it's ending today. So, yeah, I hope you guys were able to get out there. Did buy this hoodie. This hoodie's super nice, dude. It's super thick. Pretty much the exact same one as my Nike SB hoodie. Super thick. Got it for $30. Normally 90. That was pretty dope. One thing that I did hear from a bunch of you guys went, and there were tons and tons of campers, and that's kind of how it's been, dude. Camping situation there has gotten crazy. The rule there is now you can get as many things off the heat card as long as you get back in line. There is no one per day and stuff like that. So the campers there are just eating, like they're just sitting there every day and just eating. You know, we got to go there more often, you guys. We got to go there more often. Whether it's the resellers or whether it's the collectors, y'all just need to go there as often as possible because that camping situation is crazy. They're grabbing everything. So if you're a reseller, if you're a collector, make sure you get your butts there. Make sure you go there frequently. Make sure you check the aisles because, yeah, the campers are grabbing everything, man. The campers are grabbing everything. I, fortunately, cannot be there all day because I got other spots to go to. So, yeah, if you guys want to try to save that place, you want to salvage that place, go there as often as you can and do what you got to do. But yeah, that's pretty much about it, man. Camping's gotten crazy. Hopefully we could do something about it, but you guys need to go there. You guys need to continue hitting that place up. And the last couple days were even worse because that was the first time we've seen 20% off. Probably in at least 2 years, maybe 3 years. It's been 2 or 3 years. I want to say at the very, very, very beginning of the pandemic, that's when they changed everything, or was it right before the pandemic? I don't know, but it's we haven't seen 20% off there in forever. I don't know if it's all the clearance stores or if it was just that one.